Guys, how is it going? It's Sabi here again with another new video. So this morning I made a video about how to skip silence from your voice recording on your Voice Memo app on your iPhone. Right now in this video I will show you how to transfer that voice recording file onto your laptop or PC. All right guys, so I will go on to my voice recording file. So first I'll type voice in search and then the Voice Memo app came up here. I will click on that and here is my recording which I did this morning, right? So I'll click on that and then I will click on these three dots on the top right, not exactly top right, but you can see the three dots. I'll click on that. So I was thinking of sending it to WhatsApp account, but sometime that doesn't work. But if it works for you, you can do that. But I'm gonna share this file. I'm gonna click on share. And then I'll go down a little bit on the page. And here you can see the third last option, save to files. You click on save to files and then the file folder will open and then you just need to click on save, right? So it has saved your file onto that files folder, which is already by default on your iPhone, right? So now the second thing, you're gonna go onto your WhatsApp, right? So I'm gonna use WhatsApp anyway, but instead of directly sending that file to WhatsApp, which sometimes doesn't go, I have used this method. So now I will go on to now I'm here onto my WhatsApp, my own account instead of some friends or relatives account. And let's delete this one first, which I've already downloaded, shared it on this account. So now I'm onto my WhatsApp, my own account instead of anyone else account. So I will click on bottom left plus sign and then I'll click on documents and then I will click on choose from files. And here this is the file, the first top left file. I will click on that. You can see the tick mark and then I'll click on open. And then at the bottom right arrow key, I'll click on that and then it has sent that file to my WhatsApp. Now I will go on to, so now I will open my camera to show you what I'm doing on my laptop. So here I'm on to Google and I type WhatsApp web, the first link open. So I will click on WhatsApp web and this page is open, right? So this is a QR code. You can see the instruction. Scan the QR code with your phone camera. Tap the link open WhatsApp. Scan the QR code again to link to your account. So I repeat that again. Scan the QR code with your phone's camera. Tap the link to open WhatsApp. And number 3 step, scan the QR code again to link to your account, right? So I'm gonna scan it. As you can see, the WhatsApp icon coming at the bottom of my screen, just not right exactly at the bottom, just sort of in the middle. So I'll click on WhatsApp and then I will click on continue. And as you can see, it's doing something. And have you seen? It's loading right now, WhatsApp onto my laptop. And I'll go back to camera again. So as you can see, the WhatsApp has been opened. So now I can't show you the left side of this screen because there are a lot of contacts here which I cannot share it with you. So I'll just simply click on my account and here it is. And you can see the file which I sent to my WhatsApp account. So now I got to download this file onto any of the folder I choose to download. By default, it will download onto a downloads folder. The name of the folder is downloads. So I will click this key, this down arrow key, and then I'll click on downloads, and automatically it has downloaded onto the download folder. So instead of going onto the desktop screen and look for that folder, I can click on this icon which says open containing folder. So I'll click on that and I will go directly onto that folder. So this is the file, new recording, right? Now I want to use this for my for my editing on my editing software to make a YouTube video. So I use Filmora 15. I will go on to Filmora 15, which is this, and I will click on new project. And then here Filmora 15 has opened, so I will click on import, and then I'll go on to the download folder, which is here, and then this is the file I need to put that into my Filmora new project. So I'll click on that and then I'll click on open, and then here is the file, right? So I can put that file into the timeline, and then you can start editing your voice recording file with any of the video you can attach with that file. So that's how you transfer the voice recording file from your voice memo on your iPhone to your laptop. I hope you understood it very clearly. I have explained. Please make sure to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell for all the latest videos, and I will see you in my next video. Until then, goodbye.